Hi, and thank you so much for purchasing my sinking funds tracker. This is a video on how to use it. So first off, your goal is here. This is your main goal for all of the funds that you're saving for. This is automatically calculated, adding up all of these on column C. You have saved $3,200, and this is calculated on column G. So this is the total saved. And then left to save, this is what you have left. So this is your goal minus your total saved. That's how much is left. And then all of these things are added up into this here. This is a chart showing what your goal is. You can put your mouse over the bar and it'll show you what your goal is. This is how much you have saved, and then this is how much you have left to save. Okay, so each one of your funds, you're going to name them. So say we're going to name one Vacation 6. And then we're going to make a goal of $3,000. You want to have a monthly goal. Say your monthly goal to save is 150 bucks a month. And then starting total, that's how much you have cash in hand. So say you've got $50 in hand for it. So this goes towards your total amount saved. Now, this next one is itemized savings. That is everything that you're going to save on your itemized expenses here. So we'll scroll down here and then we will choose the date by double clicking. And then we're going to choose from any of the funds. So as you add everything on column B, it will add another line of a drop down. So say we're going to save for Vacation 6. And then we are going to say we're going to put in $250 into that fund. So your starting total was $50. Your itemized savings is $250, and now you have a total saved of $300. And then you have $2,700 left to save towards your goal. So you've made a progress of 8%. And then your goal date, you can double click in here and say you want to save until the 26th. And so that's how you use the sinking funds chart. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Thanks.